Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Precious, aka Peachy Presh. We're starting off with a little rocky start, but don't worry about that part. So it's all going to be fixed in the end. We're going to go ahead and part this side of my hair and mold with some Shining Gem Security Flyaways. And this is where we're going to put in our first French braid on the side, which I'm going to show you in just a moment. And if you don't know how to French braid, you can always flat twist this as well. It could start off as a flat twist, go into a braid if you like, just depending on your skill set and what you're able to do. I'm going to go ahead and finish out the second French braid as well. So we're going to have two, one on both sides. And it's all going to come together in the end. I'll show y'all what the next step is going to be. And next after that, we're going to go in with a French braid down the middle. Once again, this can be a flat twist if your skill set is not up to par. Trust me, I'm still working on my braiding skills. It is something that I try to practice as much as possible, and I'm still, working on it. So here we are with our with our French braid. It's looking decent. Now, so this is the part that y'all didn't see. I went in and did 2 additional French braids in the front. And I didn't put that on camera because my hair is very sparse in the front. So it was kind of hard to kind of navigate and actually make those 2 braids. They didn't really turn out the way that I anticipated, but at least they came out looking kind of like what I'm going for, which I will show y'all in the end, my inspo and the picture that I was going off of. Now is time to define those curls, going in with lots and lots and lots and lots of water because my hair was pretty dry, but I did have some leave-in conditioner, so it did glide through pretty well. We're going in and with that girl, the Doux. I heard they came out with a new line, the Doux B-Girl collection, which I really do want to go ahead and pick up because I really enjoy the Doux Foaming Mousse. It is probably like one of the best products that I've used in a while that really does define and give you a lot of shine and definition. Like, come on now. Come on. She is that girl. So we're going to go ahead and define both sides of my hair and obviously the top part as well. I'm just raking this through. You really don't need too much of this product, but it just kind of depends on your hair texture. I'm going in now with a few spiral curls, or just kind of defining each part as I go. And y'all, this is pretty much done. I'm gonna come back in a bit to show y'all what it looks like dry, but this is the final result. And I'll show y'all the final result once this clip ends. I feel like I'm just messing in my hair a lot right now, so stay tuned. Hey y'all, so this is the final result. It came out better than I expected it to, and I am extremely happy that I used the Doux, the Mousse Def The Doux. She is that girl. She's that girl, okay? Let me show y'all the back. Hopefully y'all can see that. A little shake. All right, so that is the final result. I will put the video of the creator that I was inspired by, or her picture, somewhere on the screen here. I try to consolidate it down to like a minute long, but I just wasn't able to get all the steps down too concise without kind of like cutting some stuff out. So hopefully y'all enjoyed that. If you like this video, make sure you like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am like 20 people or 20 subscribers short of 200, and it's been a goal of mine to get to like obviously 1,000 subscribers, so I'm getting up there. So if you enjoyed this content, definitely subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay. Bye.